They're off in the Flower Bowl, and Stephanie's Kitten had a good break. Danza Cavallo goes up on the far outside to show early speed, and Javier Castellano hustles her from that outside post to get to the inside and the lead into the race to the first turn. And then it's Distorted Beauty, Stephanie's Kitten to the inside, followed by Curvy, who's outside of Regarde and Mutatis Mutandis. What's the chances in behind them? And America is last of them all as they go on to the backstretch. The first quarter mile was in 26 and 2/5 seconds over the soft going here set by Danza Cavallo, who's on top a length and a half. Distorted Beauty is second. Stephanie's Kitten is down on the hedge, running in third. And then Curvy to the outside of Mutatis Mutandis. Regarde is 5 lengths off the lead and inside of What's the Chances, and America is just to the outside of them. So Danza Cavallo continues to lead the way. The half up in 52 and 3/5 seconds. And the lead is a length and a half. Distorted Beauty is in second. Stephanie's Kitten third. Curvy fourth to the outside, 4 lengths off the lead. And then comes Mutatis Mutandis, who's down toward the inside and making up a bit of ground. America, What's the Chances, and Regarde at the back. Into the turn, and it is Danza Cavallo on top. 3/4 in 1:18 flat. Danza Cavallo, the leader by a length and a half to Distorted Beauty. Mutatis Mutandis is third to the inside. Then it's Stephanie's Kitten and Curvy taking the outside route here. Curvy's within 2 lengths of the lead. What's the Chances and Regarde next? And America's at the back of the field. Danza Cavallo making her way to the top of the stretch. She's been in front all the way so far in the Flower Bowl. And she turns for home in front. And on the outside, Stephanie's Kitten coming to take her on now. Mutatis Mutandis is down on the inside. Curvy with work to do in fourth. Stephanie's Kitten confronts Danza Cavallo. And these two come by the 16th pole together. Stephanie's Kitten in front. Danza Cavallo battling her. But Stephanie's Kitten's got it. And Stephanie's Kitten has won the Flower Bowl. And then it was Danza Cavallo, Mutatis Mutandis, and What's the Chances?